Good morning to everyone. My concept video for data structures is binary search tree. First of all, difference between binary tree and binary search tree. A binary tree is a type of data structures where each parent node can 0, 1 or at most 2 child nodes. Whereas in binary search tree, the binary search tree is a binary tree where the left child contains only nodes with values less than or equal to the parent node, and where the right child only contains nodes with values greater than the parent node. A binary tree does not have specific order to arrange the data elements. In case of binary search tree has a specific order to arrange the data elements. In a binary tree is used as an efficient lookup of data and information in a tree structure. In binary search tree, due to its efficiency in searching elements, binary search trees are widely used in a dictionary problems where the code always insert the searches the element that are indexed by some key value. In binary tree, a tree is said to be binary tree if it has at most two children. It does not have any order. Binary search tree. A binary search tree is a binary search tree in which the key values in left node is less than root and the key values in right node is greater than the root. Types of binary trees. Degenerate binary tree, only one child. Complete, always two children. Balanced, mostly two children. And we can see the pictures of the types of binary trees. Here first one is degenerate binary tree and second one is balanced binary tree and third one is complete binary tree. And we can have a look on concept diagram. Here C indicates left subtree has values less than node. These values cannot be 8 or 9 because then it will be greater than 7, hence not fulfilling the condition of left subtree. A is the main node or top level node. It has left and right subtrees. B, right subtree has value greater than node. This value can be greater than 7 and 9 but not greater than 11, the top node. Application of binary search tree. Binary search tree used in many search applications where data is constantly entering. Binary space partition used in almost every 3D video game to determine what objects need to be rendered. Binary trees used in almost every high bandwidth router for sorting. Routers table. Heaps used in implementing efficient priority queues, also used in head sort. Huffman coding tree used in compression algorithms such as those used by the JPEG and MP3 file formats. GGM trees used in cryptographic applications to generate a tree of pseudo-random numbers. Syntax tree constructed by compilers and implicit calculators to praise expressions. That's about my concept video. Thank you.